The silent signal. Imagine a house on your street sells for 30% below market value. You missed it, but a silent signal didn't. A tax lien, a probate filing, or a life event. In 2026, the biggest real estate deals happen before they ever hit Zillow. The question is, who has the map? The 45 trillion data gap. The U.S. housing market is a $45 trillion monster, but its data is trapped. Gatekeepers like CoStar and Zillow lock the best insights behind $250,000 paywalls. If you aren't a billionaire, you're flying blind in the world's largest asset class. The broken promise. Traditional apps give you stale monthly updates. They tell you what happened, not what is happening. You don't need a monthly report. You need a live oracle. You need a global swarm of digital prospectors working for you 24/7. Intelligence is the new universal currency. RESI Labs is taking that currency and applying it to the most valuable thing on earth, land. Welcome to SN46, the world's first decentralized real estate oracle. What is RESI? Think of RESI like a global treasure hunt. Usually, finding a house's secret history is like looking for a needle in a haystack. RESI gives thousands of people magnets to find those needles instantly and build the world's biggest open map of houses. What does it do? It builds a live map. While regular apps update once every few months, RESI Swarm checks public records, prices, and even life events every single day. It knows a house is for sale before the owner even puts up a sign. How it works. Miners are prospectors. They hunt for hard-to-find facts. Validators are the sheriffs. They verify the facts are 100% true. Stakers, the owners, earn rewards for keeping the whole system running. It's a self-growing brain for real estate. Recalling Superworld. Remember our dive into Superworld by Bittensor AI? That was the digital twin, buying and selling virtual land in the metaverse. It's the layer of creative ownership and AR experiences. Data versus virtual. So how is RESI different? Superworld builds the virtual world to play in, but RESI Labs builds the data engine for the physical world you live in. Superworld is for the metaverse. RESI is for your mortgage and real-world assets. The synergy. Together, they form the full-stack real estate intelligence of Bittensor. Superworld captures the virtual value, and SN46 RESI Labs provides the physical truth. By staking both, you own the intelligence of the entire $45 trillion market. A trinity. RESI is built on the proven macrocosmos architecture. Miners use custom scrapers for 150 million properties. Validators use geographic weighting, prioritizing high-value zip codes. This ensures the data isn't just big, it's relevant. Big tech versus RESI. Big tech giants like Zillow or CoreLogic use batch processing. It's slow and expensive. RESI uses delta hunters, miners who get bonuses for being the first to detect a sale or a price drop. It's the difference between a newspaper and a live feed. The team, led by Sebi Rubino, a real estate and machine learning veteran, backed by DSV Fund and built on the gold standard SN13 architecture. These aren't just developers. They are industry disruptors with skin in the game. The entry point. Let's look at the beast math. RESI is at $1.45 with a tiny $3.5 million market cap. For an oracle targeting a $20 billion niche, this is an absurdly low entry point. At a 5 tau yield, staking 5 tau today earns you roughly 900 RESI tokens per year. At today's prices, that's $1,300 in passive income. But we aren't here for today's prices. We are here for the 2% conviction. The bull case. The real estate analytics niche is worth $20 billion. If RESI captures just 2%, the market cap hits $400 million. That puts RESI at $165 per token. Your annual rewards from 5 tau? Over $148,000 a year. You don't just invest in real estate. You own the machine that prices it. By staking tau for RESI, you are owning the Bloomberg of the $45 trillion housing market. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for learning with us. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Always invest what you can afford to lose. But remember, the biggest risk in this new AI economy is not taking any risk at all. Our intention is to educate you and bring a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Bittensor Tau, directly to your screen. The New Age slogan is, "Don't wait to buy Tau, buy Tau and wait." Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy, Stake, Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers!